Emergency services. DBA's reference group shared that many members were not confidently prepared for various emergency situations. We want to provide one place where you can go to prepare and understand emergency situations. On this page, you will find information about preparing for an emergency, making an emergency call, requesting interpreters during an emergency situation, how to access interpreters for private and public health appointments, and how to access an interpreter for a police appointment or interview. Preparing for an emergency. A safety plan allows you to prepare for possible emergencies. Your safety plan is unique. We have created a document to help you prepare your safety plan. This document is listed below. Making an emergency call. Australia's primary emergency call service number is 000, which can be dialed from any fixed or mobile phone, payphones, and certain Voice over Internet Protocol or VoIP services. You can still receive emergency help if it is not safe to speak or if you cannot speak. When using Internet Relay, ask for 000. When using Captioned Relay, ask for 000. For SMS Relay, text 0423 677 767 and include 000 in your first message. Ordinary phone, dial 1800 555 727 and ask for 000. For TTY, dial 106. All calls to emergency numbers, whether from fixed, mobile, payphone or VoIP services, are free of charge. For more information about calling services, visit the 000 website by following the link at the end of this page. Requesting an interpreter in an emergency situation. The service, police, hospital, etc., can book an interpreter through their regular agency, face-to-face, or using VRI. Auslan Connections have an after-hours emergency number for services to call outside of business hours. For Queensland and the Northern Territory, please contact 0455 068 500 via call or SMS. For New South Wales and the ACT, please contact 0412 422 059 via call or SMS. For Victoria and Tasmania, please contact 03 9473 1174 for voice or NRS calls, or if in Victoria, you can also contact Echo Interpreting after hours on 0449 259 153 via SMS. Health appointments. You will find a link to a video at the end of this page that you can show your healthcare workers if they need support to understand your rights to access. Public health appointments. If you have an appointment with a public hospital, they are responsible to pay for an Auslan interpreter for you, as they receive government funds for this. Private health appointments. If you have an appointment with a private healthcare provider, such as a GP, dentist, physio, or a private hospital, you use your NDIS plan to pay for an Auslan interpreter. You can book with any Auslan agency you like. NABS will use your NDIS plan to pay for the interpreter. It is not free anymore. If you don't have NABS because you are over 65 years of age, are Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander, are not an Australian citizen, or are not eligible, then NABS will arrange a free Auslan interpreter for you. Over 65s with a My Aged Care package can use Auslan Connections to access these services and appointments. Police appointment. If the police want to interview you, they are responsible to pay for an Auslan interpreter for you, as they receive government funds for this. You can show the following statement to self-advocate if you are facing barriers to access. You are required to provide me with an Auslan interpreter. As a deafblind person, my access rights are protected by the following: the Charter of Human Rights and Responsibilities Act 2006, the Criminal Procedure Act 2009 as highlighted in Section 33. The Equal Opportunities Act of 2012 includes a positive duty obligation, which means that departments and agencies need to take proactive and reasonable steps to address causes of discrimination, regardless of whether a complaint has been made or not. The Victorian Government policy using interpreting services. Auslan interpreters can be booked through VITS and Auslan Connections. Through this video, you may have seen the text sliding with names of websites. You will find all the links listed below this video that you will be able to click and go directly to those websites.